Hello everyone, I am Anmol, your online business coach at Bikayi, and in this video we will see how to hide products in our Bikayi app. You can hide your products in situations such as when stock is not available for that particular product or where you are planning to launch a new product or series. Here you can add all the details in your app but hide them till the time it will be available for your customers, or you can hide your products in some other situations as well. To hide your products, you just need to select the product from the catalog and then click on Actions. Now you need to click on Hide or Show Product tab. Now your product will not be visible on your website. So this is how you can hide your products on your Bikayi app. Also, for any other support or information, you can contact our customer support team as well. Thank you so much and good luck.